So I know it's been a minute since I've been going. I have no excuse for that. But don't worry, I'm back. In today's video, I'm gonna be doing a quick weave. Hopefully it come out how I expected it and I want it to, because I did not come to play. She is not one of them. She is not one of them. Yeah, before I get into this video, make sure y'all click that like button, turn on that subscribe button. Press that subscribe button, turn on that notification bell, and see, this is how you know I haven't been recording in a minute. Press that subscribe button and turn on that notification bell so whenever I post, you are notified. And without further ado, let's get into the video. I'm gonna be showing y'all the products that I'm gonna be using for this specific hairstyle, which is a quick weave. So I'm about to show y'all that right now. This is from the hair store. I'm not expecting this to last that long. I know it's cheap hair, but you can get this from the hair store for like $11, $10. I forgot how much. It was either or. 30 inches, baby. I had to get freaking wavy hair because they didn't have no more freaking straight hair. So I'm gonna have to freaking straighten this and make it look straight. This is organic straight weave 30 inch. You can get this in the hair store. I'm gonna be using this glue to stick down on my wig cap and this heat protector so that when I blow dry my hair, I'm not damaging it. And I also got this protective shield. So you use this when you put the cap on, and so that this glue doesn't damage your hair. I got this wig cap for like $1 and change. Let's get into the video. I'm kind of scared because I just don't want to fuck up anything.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can do like you do. That's why I'm spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Leave no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly, can't deny. I got a crush on you, that's true. And I'm digging you, you make me believe. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. Oh yeah, all day long. Your love is one I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Chase beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an episode that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around, around. 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 Come through, I think I need you here. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is an visions that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away.
So this is the final result. It's giving very much Oreo hoe, very much Babbage activated. I would very much recommend this hair too if you just want to go for something cheap at the hair store, the organic, because like it's mad silky. Yeah, so that was very much it for this video. If y'all enjoyed, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos.
Around.